Hello everyone, it's Miss Virginia here. This is another episode of Babytime Buzz. This week I read this very special book and it's called Kindness Makes Us Strong. And I thought, oh, how appropriate is it for today's time. It is by the author Sophie Beer. It is published by Dial Books, which is by Penguin Random House Publishers, and so they're very gracious to let us read this book. It can only be on though for 24 hours, and then we have to take it down. But I encourage you, please, when you come to the library, please look for this board book, okay? It's just amazing, and like I said, it's so appropriate for today's time. Just a reminder that the library will reopen on Monday, which is May 18th, with a lot of modifications. So please check the library's website for that. Just so that you know, mommies and daddies, all of the children's area have been closed down. So, you know, the children aren't able to come and play like they did before. So just come, get the books that you need, and then, you know, go back home to a safe environment. Not that the library isn't safe, but we just want, you know, everybody to be careful. So I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care, give my babies a big hug, and I'll see you then. Bye.